Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make moringa oil. First, understand that quality moringa oil begins with fresh, mature seeds. We will cover everything from selecting your materials to the final storage of your oil. This guide focuses on a simple, effective method you can replicate. By following these steps, you can produce your own beneficial moringa oil. Let's get started by gathering what you'll need for this exciting project. To begin, you'll need about 2 cups of fresh, mature moringa seeds. These are the heart of your oil. If you're doing an infusion, select a good quality carrier oil, like extra virgin olive oil, which will absorb the moringa's properties. Next, gather your tools: a sturdy mortar and pestle or a food processor for crushing the seeds, and some fine mesh strainers or cheesecloth for later filtering. Cleanliness is crucial throughout this entire process. Now, let's get to the extraction. First, crush your moringa seeds into a coarse powder using your mortar and pestle or food processor. The goal is to break them open, not pulverize them. Next, transfer the crushed seeds into a clean, airtight glass jar. Pour your chosen carrier oil over the seeds, ensuring they are fully submerged. Seal the jar and let it infuse for a minimum of 2 weeks in a cool, dark spot, remembering to shake it gently once a day. After the infusion period, it's time to filter your oil. Place a fine mesh strainer lined with cheesecloth over a clean bowl. Slowly pour the oil mixture through, allowing the oil to drip. Squeeze the cheesecloth to extract every last drop. Repeat this straining process 2 or 3 times for a clear, pure oil. Store your homemade moringa oil in a dark, airtight glass bottle away from direct sunlight. It's wonderful for skin, hair, and even as a massage oil.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.